Hi everyone, it's Dr. Kat. I just wanted to come and just talk to you briefly about something that I'm hearing a lot about lately, especially at this time of year, the winter, when it's darker for more hours of the day than it's light. Many of us can suffer from things like seasonal affective disorder, maybe notice increasing anxiety, depression, or maybe start to have trouble sleeping. Maybe you're having trouble falling asleep, staying asleep, waking up several times during the night. A lot of women attribute these changes to normal changes of aging, or the stress of the holidays, or stress at work, family stressors. But actually, so few women recognize that actually these symptoms can be related to their hormone fluctuations. So often, insomnia and the mood changes that we experience are some of the first symptoms that we can recognize when we start going through this transition. And just know that hormone therapy can really treat these symptoms well. So if you're suffering from these symptoms, it might be worthwhile to check out hormone therapy if you haven't already. Or if you've had symptoms like these and they're worsening despite being on treatment, it could mean that you need a dosage adjustment. So don't overlook these symptoms. So many things that we experience are related to the fluctuations in our hormones as we go through this midlife change and transition. Just a little food for thought, something to think about.